So Shift+Enter doesn't work properly when you're using Claude Code and Windows Subsystem for Linux, and it was such an irritation. So when I found the solution, I thought I'll make a really quick video on how to solve this problem. Let's dive over into Terminal and we'll take a quick look. Okay, here we are in Terminal, and I know if you're on this video, you probably don't need to see the problem, but this is the problem. List, and if I promise I'm pressing Shift+Enter here, and it just submits my prompt, which is so annoying. So let's interrupt Claude. We don't need him to iterate over that. Just right click on the top of the terminal, go to settings, and at the bottom left of the settings window, there's open JSON file. And you'll see in mine that I've already commented out the solution so I could demonstrate the problem. But basically you want to go to your actions field of this. There'll be an array here, probably be blank for you. And you want to copy in this little snippet of code. And I'll make this available in the show notes or in my AI community. Either way, it'll be free, but otherwise you can just pause the screen and copy it off the screen. And what's happening here is I'm just saying that when I send an input to go to the new line, and I'm giving the action an ID. And the reason for that is we need to actually bind that action to a key binding. And the key bindings are down here in the key bindings array. You'll have a bunch of stuff probably. Here's the ID of the action we created and the key combination to invoke it. So let's just uncomment that, save that, dive back over into Terminal. No need to restart the terminal or your Claude session or anything like that. And now I can go list, Shift+Enter, 1, 2, 3, and submit it. Awesome. Okay, problem solved. But what happened after I solved this problem is I was all excited. I went over to VS Code and the problem still existed. So there's a slightly different fix for VS Code, and I'll give that to you as well. So here we are in a Claude session in WSL for VS Code, and you can see the same thing exists. So if I hit list and hit Shift+Enter, again, it just submits the prompt, and I don't want that. So let's get rid of that prompt. The solution here is to press Control, Shift, and P, and you want to find Open Keyboard Shortcuts JSON, not the default one, just the Open Keyboard Shortcuts. For me, it's in my recently used. For you, it's probably buried somewhere down here, so you might have to search for it by typing keyboard or whatever. Once you find it, open that JSON file, and very much in the same way, but with a slightly different argument, we're telling WSL how to interpret our command. So I'm just going to uncomment that. You can go ahead and copy it. Oh, I pressed the wrong button there. I'll hit save and just show that we've solved it. So if I close that and go back to Claude Code and go list and hit Shift+Enter, 1, 2, 3. Awesome. That solved a really annoying irritation for me, and hopefully it solves it for you too. If you want no BS, no hype, Claude or AI advice, follow me. Hopefully that helps someone. Until next time, have a good one.